Today we're going to talk about the verb tenses in the past, present, and future. We call these simple tenses. They're the most basic of the verb tenses. We'll start by looking at the verb call. As you can tell by the picture that we have here, this is a picture of an old-fashioned phone. Of course, today everyone uses cell phones. So we're going to use the verb call to show how we change the verb to be in the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. In this case, in the present tense, we're going to look at the singular or one subject in the sentence. Maria is the singular or one person who is the subject of each of these sentences. So the verb tense must match not only the verb must match not only the tense, but also the person. So Maria, we're going to look at in the present tense, Maria calls her mom every day. And if you notice, there's an S at the end of the verb call to show that it's the present tense for one subject or one person. In the past tense, you can see that the letters ed are added to the verb to show that it has happened in the past. Maria called her mom yesterday. In the future tense, you'll see the word will is added before the verb itself. So the word will call shows that that is something that happens in the future. Maria will call her mom tomorrow. Now we'll try another one and look at the word work. So the verb work will be shown in the simple present, simple past, and simple future. So one, we will look at, going back to our model up here, when we're showing it one person in the present tense, we're going to have an S on the end. Juan works outside every day, and that shows that the subject and the verb are matching. One person in the present tense, Juan works. In the past tense, with one person, we're going to show that we have the ed. Juan worked outside yesterday. And in the future tense, once again, we're going to add the word will. Juan will work outside tomorrow. On the next page, we'll be looking at the simple tenses, but this time, instead of just one subject, we're going to have more than one subject. In these cases, the subject is usually a person. So we have two subjects this time, Maria and Juan, and down here we also have Maria and Juan. So we're having the same verb tenses, the simple present, simple past, and simple future, but we're showing it for two people instead of just one. And the verb we're using is hug, and you can see by the picture what a hug is. It's when you're holding someone close. So as we look at the simple present, we notice this time there is no S because the S is only present in the simple present tense when there's only one subject. Since there's two subjects, there is no S at the end of the word hug. Maria and Juan hug their mom every day. In the simple past with two subjects, we will add, it will be just like it was in the for the one subject. You're going to add the ed. So Maria and Juan hugged their mom yesterday. That shows the past tense with two people, and it's just like the past tense with one person. In the future, you will see the word will again, just as it was when there was only one subject. Maria and Juan will hug their mom tomorrow. So as you can see, the only difference when you're in the simple present, past, and future is when is for the simple present. There's an S when there's just one person, and no S when there's more than one. Going down here, we look at the verb listen, and as you can see, the children are listening to the teacher. So in this sense, we're also having two subjects. Maria and Juan listen to their teacher every day. No reason for an S. Simple past, Maria and Juan listened to their teacher yesterday, adding the ed, and Maria and Juan will listen to their teacher tomorrow shows the future tense.